Hi, I'm Marta, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I just wanted to give you an update on my three little Wellie Wishers. I really like these dolls. I got two outfits made. The shoes finally came. Actually, I had this pair. I bought a red pair and those little green ones. Had to have those green ones because, St. Patrick's Day and I love glitter. So I also got a red pair, which I thought I was waiting on. I forgot I had those. But at any rate, the shoes are in. I just slipped a full-size American Girl doll Blythe size headband on, and I think it looks pretty cute. And it goes way down under, so it really holds onto it. I bought Camille's sweater. I have a new sewing machine and it is going slow, getting used to it. It's electronic. I hate electronics. But I did this little fancy stitch at the hem and I'm quite proud of it to be honest. But look what the sewing machine did here. I don't know. We're not getting along yet, but it's cute and nobody's going to look that close. Darren will tell me later I shouldn't have shown it. But that's all right. Sometimes you need to see my errors. I'm just really pleased. I'm looking forward. I'm getting ready to do a twinning with another channel with the Wellie Wishers. And you'll be seeing them again. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know if you have or are planning to get the Wellie Wishers. And please subscribe.